Okay, we just got back from the taxidermist, dropping the turkey off to get that mounted. Now we're gonna work on putting stone behind me on the exterior part of the fireplace here and the 3 Seasons room on the back of the house. This is literally taking forever. I've been doing this for hours and this is all the further I've gotten. I still have to do all of that. Gosh. James got the stone on the front of the garage yesterday while I was working on the back of the house stonework. Looks great. Then I'm gonna work on finishing the stone on the back of the house today. Right back here. This is as far as I got, and I still gotta go all the way up there. Another day spent working on the stone. I'm about halfway done, so hopefully I'll get at least 3/4 of the way done today. And then James is in the backfield back there. He cultivated that backfield, and then today he is picking up all the rocks and throwing them out, and then we're gonna till it and plant alfalfa. And this is what the boys are doing while we are working on the stone in the fields. Oh goodness, it's too nice outside today to be working inside or to be working over there on my stone. So I just evened all of this out and moved around the dirt, and now I'm gonna put a few layers of topsoil on top, and then I'm gonna cover it with horse manure, and then I'm gonna plant my tomato plants there today. Whew, that's a lot of work, but I'm getting it done. Just got all the rocks put in. Now I just need to go get a bunch of horse manure and fill it up, then plant my tomato plants. Spending another afternoon working on this stone. I got our next row started here. I'm gonna try to get more done. Not too much further to go. And this is the progress on the stone today. James is home now. He is back in that backfield fertilizing. Then he's gonna till the field one more time, and then he's gonna plant the alfalfa. We are heading to the backfield right now. I got both boys with me. Elias refused to come back here without his toys, so you can see behind me there, he's carrying this giant dinosaur thing and this giant tractor. So whatever, they're coming in, Levi's in the stroller. James is tilling, I'll show you guys that. The tilling is done and it is absolutely beautiful. Good job, babe. You like your tiller?
Yeah, I like it a lot.
James is already at it early this morning. He's working on putting the trim on our doors. It's looking good so far. trim on these 3 doors finished. In the closet here. I still gotta paint all the doors white, but the trim gives it a nice finished look. Got the trim on this one. James is upstairs, and now he's putting all the trim on all of those doors in that hallway. And then on the doors over there for the boys' rooms, he's got all the trim on all the doors down here. There, all of them. And I'm gonna go work on staining the rest of the door on the front of the house. It's literally been months and I still have not finished it, so I'm gonna finish it. But it's just got that section there in the middle and then everything on top for the transom. I finally finished staining the front door. Really like how it turned out. James is already at it early this morning. He started putting my trim around these windows. I wanted a specific farmhouse trim on these windows, so that's what he's putting in now. What? Good morning. And I'm in the kitchen cooking breakfast. Per usual, farm fresh eggs. James is finishing the 2 windows here in the front of the house, next to where the office and the bathroom are. It just looks so good. I really like it. And I'm up here doing not so fun of a job. I've got my caulk gun and I'm caulking all these seams. So I already got this window done. So all of these seams that butt up to the window, I got the caulk for the whole window done. And there's a lot of seams because these are pretty big windows. It's really hard to get this with the lighting. There we go. But anyway, I'm working on that. Eli! Hey, buddy. So I've got this first window here done. Now I'm gonna work on doing this window over here. Okay, so the window you see behind me here, James just got done, and per usual, we didn't have enough supplies. So now we're out of trim and can't finish that window, but we go to Lowe's like every single day, so we'll get some more trim for that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and caulk that one now, and James is gonna work on, I don't know, what are you doing now?
I don't know.
Oh, the trim on the doors. We have the trim for that. Oh goodness, so pretty much all day I've been working on the trim. I'll show you kind of what I've been doing here. You put the trim down in places where the drywall is not completely flat. Sometimes you will see like little gaps. So I had to go through and put caulk on all of this, and you put a bunch on and then you have to wipe it all off and basically make sure that it fits into all those crevices. It is so time consuming. So I got all of the living room done, all of the kitchen done, all of like that walkway, the entryway done, and then I still need to do like the front office, then all the bedrooms and everything else. But this is what it looks like beforehand. There's those gaps where it's not perfect. So you gotta fill that with caulk, and every time you put the caulk on, then you have to wipe it off with your finger, and then it gets on the wall, and you have to wipe it off on the wall, and it's a very time-consuming process. But it really makes it look perfect. So anyway, now I'm just cooking dinner, and then James and I are gonna start on our bathroom tonight, the master shower. This is where we're starting working. So the past 2 nights, James has completely prepped the shower. He put down whatever the heck this plastic liner is, and then we have to actually fill concrete up to the top of those black rings, and that'll be the base of the walk-in shower. And then he also added in my bench over there. Just got in the first bucket of concrete. Slowly, but surely. Oh, I just mixed up the last 2 bags of concrete. Oh my gosh, that stuff is so heavy, it's ridiculous. This is our last bag. I hope it finishes the job because we don't have any more. Oh no. Oh no. This doesn't look promising.
Okay, hon.
What?
You're gonna have to scrounge up something. I don't think we're gonna have enough here. So.
Got it finished. We are ready to start laying the tile tomorrow, as long as it dries. It's a couple inches thick, so it may not be ready for tomorrow.
Good morning.
That's right. Good morning. It's Mother's Day, and James is going to put in my garden for me today for my Mother's Day gift. I wanted to over here by the chickens so that it's kind of out of the way and that we have a big backyard of where the house is. So we're putting our big garden in over here next to our chicken coop. Yeah.
I'm gonna put those rocks in your garden.
Oh yeah, the rocks that you painted me for Mother's Day. I would love that.
Yeah.
Let's go see what Daddy's doing. This is where the garden is going to be. This section that's mowed, and we just got all of the rocks out that were in the yard. Now we're going to till it up. Now we are in the chicken coop. We are going to scrape out all the chicken crap, put it in the bucket of the tractor, so we can put it in our garden. There you go. That's it.
We don't need chicken poop in here.
Wow. Good job. The garden is done. Now we're back over here to the house working on stuff. This is the floor. Hi, Levi. In our master shower. It did dry almost all the way. So we'll be able to lay the tile flooring in there sometime later this week. Now I'm gonna go outside and I'm going to, crazy kids, I'm gonna finish putting the stone up on the exterior. I'm gonna finish putting the stone up on the exterior of our fireplace. Change of plans. So I don't have any more mortar left to finish the outside of the house for the stonework. So instead, we're gonna work on taping all the seams in the bathroom behind me here and our stand-up shower. We gotta put mortar on all the seams, and this is a different type of mortar. We do have that type of mortar, so we're gonna do that. This is the progress so far. It's got a lot of the seams mortared off. How miserable is this?
Just really hot.
You're hot? I'm freezing.
Very hot.
Let me help. This is the little meshing that we put down, and then we put the mortar on top of that. Actually, this is thin set, isn't it?
I think so.
Well,
It's very dry.
we don't care. It's done. Now we just need it to dry so we can put our tile up.